Humans have no limits. We have climbed to the highest place in the world. The human body can walk for up to 24 hours without stopping. The human body can carry 60 kilos on its back and walk for days. The human body can live in extreme weather conditions. We can build a city at 5,300 meters and live there for 45 days. We can sleep at minus 30 degrees. We can breathe even when there is no oxygen. We can live with different cultures and religions and fight together for the same goal. We risk our lives at every step until we reach 8,000 meters. Humans can achieve whatever is on their mind. But now, we face the biggest and most important challenge in the world: protect our home. The most important thing is not getting to the top, but rather how we got there. What would happen if we created a sustainable base camp model that is self-sufficient thanks to the energy of the sun? This is the real challenge and the only way to reach even higher summits as human beings.